This is a used 2013 Ford F-150, powered by four-wheel drive, a 3.5-liter, six-cylinder engine, and a six-speed automatic transmission. With fewer than 3,000 miles, this vehicle is like new. The features include Sirius XM satellite radio, an adjustable tilt steering wheel, an alarm system, keyless entry, split rear seats, air conditioning, power windows, power mirrors, power steering. Safety was made a priority with these features: curtain head airbags, side airbags, traction control, stability control, a passenger airbag, low tire pressure warning. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to contact us. Chalmers Capital Ford Lincoln is dedicated to doing everything possible to ensure that the experience you have selecting your next vehicle is a pleasant one. We are located at Cerrillos Road, Santa Fe, New Mexico 87507.